New tonight, a man is dead and another injured following a shooting at a barbershop in Commodore St. Catherine on Saturday night. The deceased has been identified as 51-year-old Andrew Richards, otherwise called a killer, the operator of the shop. The second victim is an 81-year-old man from a Linstead address. Reports are that around 10:15 p.m., Richards was at his establishment when the shop was invaded by unknown assailants who opened fire, hitting both men. They were rushed to the Linstead Hospital where Richards was pronounced dead. The elderly man was admitted for treatment. A motive for the attack has not yet been established. The Linstead Criminal Investigation Branch is leading the probe. And in Kingston, two Indian merchants were shot and injured in their business place on Orange Street earlier today, reportedly by a disgruntled former employee. Both men were taken to hospital, one in serious condition, while the Kingston Central Police launched a manhunt for the alleged shooter. Reports indicate the employee had previously been caught stealing and was dismissed. He allegedly returned demanding money, and when his request was denied, he left and came back armed with a gun. He reportedly shot both men, one in the arm and the other in the chest and abdomen, before fleeing the scene. Police investigations continue. Developing tonight, a 17-year-old Hanover teen has been arrested and charged in relation to a shooting in Lucy after turning up at a hospital with a gunshot wound. He has been charged with wounding with intent, using a firearm to commit a scheduled offense, and possession of a prohibited weapon. According to police reports, around 9 p.m. on Saturday, August 30, a man was purchasing items at a shop when the teen requested one of the items. After receiving it, the teen allegedly pulled a firearm and opened fire, hitting the man in the neck and left thigh. The injured man managed to escape and was assisted to hospital in serious but stable condition. A police report was filed and an investigation launched. On November 23, the teen was arrested after seeking treatment for a gunshot wound at a hospital. He was formally charged on November 27 following witness statements implicating him. His court date is still being finalized. A 64-year-old St. Mary farmer has been charged for allegedly sexually assaulting a child on multiple occasions between 2023 and 2025. The accused, Dwayne Gilfuss of Goshen District in Lucky Hill, has been charged with 2 counts of rape and 3 counts of sexual touching of a child. Police reports indicate that between 2023 and 2024, the child and a relative visited Gilfuss's home where he allegedly touched her inappropriately. It is further alleged that between 2024 and 2025, during 2 separate visits, he sexually assaulted her again. A report was filed and an investigation began. Gilfuss was later held and charged by the St. Mary's Sissoko on November 26 after being positively identified in an identification parade. A court date is being finalized.